Today we are absolutely destroying this brand new Cybertruck. Thanks for the truck, man.
This ain't no damn Cybertruck, bro.
That nerdy kid said Cybertruck, yeah, not this Tesla Prius looking go-kart.
Time to baptize this baby in LA's finest sewage.
Bro, the keys are in it. Let's rip it. You missed the turn.
Oh no, cherries and berries. Drive faster.
Bro, we almost died.
All because that nerd brought a Model 3 instead of a damn Cybertruck.
Huge thanks to Paul for wrecking cars with me. Smash that like if you want more chaos.
Dude, I just found an ice cream truck for $1,200.
Oh, is it haunted or full of raccoons?
Who cares? Let's go.
This baby only cost me $1,200 on Craigslist. This thing smells like regret and freezer burn. We're gonna turn this into the world's first race cream truck. Bro, I think this ice cream expired in 2009.
That's vintage flavor.
You gotta find a bathroom now.
Clench your cheeks, we're going to full cream speed.
It's coming, bro. I'm not gonna make it. No!
Please, it's an emergency. Dude, what is happening right now? Craigslist did this to us.
Oh man, it's coming out again.
Sweet mother of maple, you smell like death and spoiled milk, bro. I'm gonna pass out, Bigfoot, I swear.
You smell like death. I want out. Dude, you slipped in my poo.
Maybe the ice cream biz ain't for us.
No kidding, Stinkfoot.
Like and subscribe if you want more chaos. All right, folks, we're going to see if this Ferrari survives a full send-through skid route with 3 certified street engineers who built a spaceship out of a shopping cart.
Rides smoother than my last tent. It needs spinners. Send it, Bigfoot! I think the suspension destroyed his ass.
Honestly, ride's better now. We can get $5 at the scrapyard for this.
Subscribe so Bigfoot can get another exotic.